We've been doing work for the Timothy School before I even started with my dad doing heating and air conditioning. The air conditioner broke in the summer, so we were looking at options for them. They were looking at ductless, so we priced out both ductless and the forced hot air system. And we decided on ductless for more of a total comfort and efficiency standpoint, and for the fact that they can heat and cool every room individually now. If someone's not in the building today or not in one of the rooms, they just don't have to keep that unit on as high or low. They like the remotes, simple use. Everyone knows how to use them in the building, which is great. That's a big savings and helpful piece to it. And everyone has different comfort levels. It was a total of 5 indoor air handlers and 2 condensers. And it took us, I believe, 5 days from start to finish. There's no forced hot air in this building, no forced central air conditioning in this building. Everything is ductless, everything ductless. They did see a big decrease on their energy bill. They were very happy to see that. So we've been selling Bryant now for 11 years, I believe. They stand behind us, we stand behind them. Any problems we do come across, there's not many, but we're able to get parts relatively quickly. The product installation for us is super simple. For training, everything, it's a great product, very easy to use and simple to explain to the customer.